Birds. Table of Contents. Feathered Flyers, page 4. What makes a bird? Page 22. Picture Glossary, page 23. Index, page 24. To learn more, page 24. Feathered Flyers. Look up! What do you see? Ducks! A duck is a kind of bird. What makes a bird? Birds have feathers. Feathers cover a bird's body. They cover their wings. Feather, wings. All birds have wings. Most birds use them to fly. But not all birds fly. Penguins can swim. Ostriches can run, but neither can fly. Ostrich. Birds are warm-blooded. They can make their own heat. This lets them live in cold places. Penguin. Birds lay eggs. Soon these eggs will hatch. Eggs. Look, robins! Mama feeds them. She uses her beak. All birds have beaks. Beaks crack seeds. They peck for insects. Beak. Birds come in all sizes. Some birds are huge. A condor is a bird. Some birds are tiny. A hummingbird is a bird too. Birds are cool. What makes a bird? Beak. Birds use their beaks for eating, grooming, fighting, courting, and feeding young. Feathers. A bird's feathers are important for flight, insulation, and waterproofing. Bones. A bird's bones are hollow. This makes them lighter, making it easier to get off the ground. Wings. All birds have wings, but not all birds use them to fly. Penguins use theirs as flippers to swim.